Okay, so this is the fridge. Essentially the exact same concept. This one is smaller. This is a 30-inch. Ours is a 36. So, things to notice. This is with panels, like ours is going to be. The hinge goes in like that versus just coming out. So that's very helpful. So if we had a wall here, we definitely are going to at least be able to go 90. The wall would only come out so far. And to simulate that, here is a oven that probably comes out about 1 foot. And we're going to go ahead and open this all the way. Of course, it's going to be a wall with a bullnose edge, so not an edge like that. So that's as far as that'll go. And the drawer will come completely out for access. This basket will come off, and we can pull the drawer out for cleaning. So no issue.